Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to make a chocolate sprinkle cake. It's very similar to the vanilla. It has cocoa powder and a few adjustments. I'm going to be using these size tins for this cake, and the recipe will be in the description box below. As you can see, I've already lightly greased my tray. You can flour it if you want to. For these ones, it's very simple. You just need a wipe of butter and it'll be fine. So to start off with, I'm going to mix my butter and sugar together. Again, if you've watched my previous videos, you know that you can use anything to make this. I'm talking about you could use a wooden spoon, metal spoon like I'm using, a hand whisk or an electric whisk, and it'll be fine. So there, my butter and sugar cream together and it looks like this. Next, I'm going to whisk up the eggs. This is egg and milk mixture. Pour that all in there. So now this is my cocoa powder, salt and flour. Just gonna mix that together. I'm mostly trying to break up the lumps in the cocoa powder by doing this. Obviously you can also sieve it, but in quarantine, everyone don't have the same equipment, so I'm just showing the flexibility of the recipe. And I'm just gonna pour that into the bowl and mix. This is the only downside to using or whisking by hand. Need a lot of elbow grease. I'm gonna make sure there's no lumps left in the cake mix. So here's my tray. My cake mix is finished. It looks like this. I'm just gonna pour it into the tin. Going to smooth that over, get it into the corners. I'm just going to put it in the oven to bake. Baking times and the recipe will be in the description box below. So here's my cake. I just took it out of the oven and put it onto the cooling rack to cool. Once it's cooled, we can start to decorate it. I'm going to work on my chocolate topping. In my bowl I have my chocolate here. I'm just going to add my cream. Now I'm going to put it in the microwave for 30 seconds at a time until the chocolate pieces in the cream have melted. So this is what it looks like after the first 30 seconds. I'm just going to give it a mix. Was enough. If yours is not smooth like this, and it's too smooth, then it will need to go back into the microwave for extra 30 seconds. Have your sprinkles ready. Pour your chocolate onto the cake. Be very careful when pouring, especially if your cake is high like mine. You don't want the chocolate going over the edge. Cleaned up my overflowing chocolate. Just make sure the flaps on your tin is up, because as you've seen, mine was overflowing. Now I am going to add my sprinkles. The best part, of course. My sprinkles are on my cake. Now I'm going to leave it to set, and then once the chocolate sets, it's going to be perfect. You don't want to cut it right now, because you saw when you poured the chocolate on, it was kind of warm and it was everywhere. So make the chocolate set and then it'll be absolutely wonderful. So now my cake has set, the chocolate has set. It's not completely hard, but it's like a nice texture. Cut that down the middle. nicer. It looks good and fluffy. There you go, chocolate cake, complete. I'm eating it, Pam. I'm eating it. Oh my gosh, this that's my tray. I'm sending money to you right now. That is my tray. Nice. Oh my, come out the kitchen, please. This is better than cooked cake. It's beautiful. Guys, please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to my channel. And if you want more recipes, just support. Thank you for watching. Woyo!